if you own a property in Fulton County and that property, for whatever reason, has fallen behind on property taxes, this tip is for you. So you can own a house, a piece of land, maybe it's a commercial property, whatever the situation is. And for whatever the reasons, you have fallen behind on property taxes and that property has gone to tax sale and you think that you have lost that property forever, rest assured, you have up to 12 months to go ahead and to redeem those back property taxes. Plus, I think you have to pay a penalty of roughly about 20%, okay? There are several other ways that you can go ahead and take care of those back property taxes. If you want the additional tips, feel free to go ahead and check out the link in the description, okay? Once again, just know if you own a property in Atlanta, Georgia, which is Fulton County, and that property is behind on taxes and that property is going to tax sale, just know that you have an opportunity to go ahead and to pay those back property taxes. Check out the link in the description.